welcome back to another episode of Cooking and Loving. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cheese pasta dish. Now, I made mac and cheese and I loved it, and I love cheese, so I'm making another cheese pasta. I hope you all love this recipe. Now let's jump straight into the video. Sigla! So today I'm going to be making pasta al quattro formaggi. So I'm using Penne for my pasta, and for my 4 cheeses, I'll tell you what cheeses they are, but you can actually use any cheeses you want, but I'm using a mix of Italian cheese and some Swiss cheese. So the ingredients are, for a dish that is size 3 to 4 people, we have 320 grams of Penne rigate, 80 grams of taleggio, 80 grams of Parmigiano Reggiano, 100 grams of gorgonzola, 80 grams of Gruyere, which is grated, 180 grams of whole milk, and salt and pepper as needed. So my water is boiling, so I'm going to start off with the pasta. So you salt the water, obviously. And throw in the pasta. While my pasta is cooking, I'm going to start with a 4 cheese sauce. I'm going to start with turning on the fire, which I already did, and adding in our milk. You don't want to boil the milk, you just want to warm it up. This will do. Yeah. Warm it up. If you need to add a little bit more milk, always add a little bit more milk, because that actually makes it less creamer, more diluted, like, so you don't make it like a pizza. So I'm gonna start with adding in our cheese. So here we have our nice, beautiful gorgonzola. Try not to make a mess. Let that melt. Then we have our nuts.
Gruyere.
Gruyere, yeah.
Then we have the
taleggio. This will melt. This one is really creamy, as you can see. And Parmigiano Reggiano. Checking the pasta, and while that's still cooking, I'm checking this to see until it's all melted. The cheese is melting. I'm just gonna keep this going until all the cheese has fully melted. As you can see, it is melting nicely, but slowly, especially the Gruyere. Keep mixing this, because you don't want to burn it, because we need to add the pasta afterwards. Let's see if this pasta is done. Yeah, that is definitely done. Alright, fire off. Keep mixing this. Wait for it to melt. Okay. When you cook the pasta, you don't cook it with the regular amount of salt, because the cheese already has enough salt. I'm going to check to try this. I can taste every single cheese in this. So, it is ready. I'm going to add in my pasta now. I have drained it. Let it make love. Let this sit in and infuse its flavor with the pasta. a touch of black pepper. And there you go, my quattro formaggi pasta. For the taste test. Game over, I say. Oh, the cheese. If I was to fall in love with someone, it would probably be cheese and food, because that's like my most favorite thing in the world. I absolutely love this dish. And for cheeses, especially the gorgonzola, really brings out that fantastic flavor in this pasta. But I need to end the video here. I hope you all loved it. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and like button and notification bell so you'll be the first person to watch my videos. Alla prossima!